Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into a true masterpiece of automotive luxury and engineering of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of elegance, power, and next-level comfort. If you thought luxury had its limits, the 2026 Maybach is here to prove otherwise. At first glance, the exterior screams sophistication. The front grille is bold yet refined, with the iconic Maybach emblem sitting proudly on the hood like a crown. The chrome accents, the signature two-tone paint, and the seamless lines all come together in perfect harmony. This car doesn't need to shout, it simply glides in and demands attention. The new adaptive digital headlights not only look stunning, but they also adjust dynamically to driving conditions, adding both style and safety. Under the hood, Mercedes didn't hold back. The 2026 Maybach comes with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a silky smooth 550 horsepower. There's also a plug-in hybrid option for those who want performance with a touch of green tech. And let's be honest, when you're behind the wheel or even just being chauffeured in a Maybach, you're not in a rush. But if you want to be, this car will get you there with grace and authority. Now let's talk about where the Maybach truly shines as of the interior. This isn't just a cabin, it's a sanctuary. Mercedes has pushed the boundaries of comfort with handcrafted materials, executive rear seating, and next-level personalization. Think ultra-soft Nappa leather, real wood trim, and even a refrigerator between the rear seats. You can choose everything from ambient lighting colors to massage settings in the rear loungers. It's not a car-up, it's a 5-star suite on wheels. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the interior. The latest MBUX infotainment system offers intuitive voice control, crystal clear displays, and rear seat entertainment screens that rival first-class airline setups. There's even biometric recognition to customize settings for different users. From seat position to climate preferences, sound plays a big role in the Maybach experience. The Burmester 4D surround sound system transforms your favorite playlist into an immersive concert, with speakers even integrated into the seats. Whether you're listening to jazz, hip-hop, or classical, every note hits perfectly. On the road, the Maybach is whisper quiet thanks to its advanced sound insulation and active noise cancelling. The airmatic suspension with the active body control literally scans the road ahead and adjusts each wheel individually to make sure passengers never feel a bump. Mercedes also stepped up with their driver assistance features, from active lane keeping to adaptive cruise control. The 2026 Maybach almost drives itself, but when you do take the wheel, it's smooth, composed, and surprisingly nimble for such a large vehicle. Starting well above $200,000, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's for those who want the best of the best without compromise. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of tradition, technology, and tailored luxury, the new Maybach delivers in every category. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride worth remembering. Catch you in the next one.